Welcome to Abberly Commons Apartment Homes by HHHunt, a Charlotte, North Carolina community. Abberly Commons is ready to elevate your lifestyle to new heights of comfort and satisfaction. You can enjoy luxury and convenience thanks to our outstanding features, desirable location, and thoughtful blend of modern amenities. Focused on offering a fresh perspective on luxury living, our 1, 2, and 3-bedroom pet-friendly apartments are designed with you in mind. You'll be happy to know all our apartments feature private balconies or patios, generous living spaces, 9-foot ceilings, and substantial expansive windows allowing plenty of natural light. The chef-friendly kitchens have granite countertops, subway tile backsplashes, and breakfast bars. Residents can choose from white or gray cabinetry. Your home will also include lavish bathrooms, large closets, and spacious bedrooms. Plus, our homes offer the convenience of in-unit washer and dryers and ADT smart home technology. Are you looking for a community with many amenities? Well, we've got you covered. Here's a list of some of the amenities you'll enjoy at Abberly Commons. An invigorating pool with in-water seating, a sun deck, and a poolside cabana. The vibrant clubhouse is equipped with smart TVs and places to relax. Looking for excitement? We offer billiards, a vintage arcade, and yard games. Our sleek work pods with HD monitors and electrical outlets are perfect for that work-from-home lifestyle. The clubhouse kitchen is perfect for lifestyle social events. A large fitness center offers a stylized studio perfect for Pilates and yoga, while the other area is replete with an array of workout equipment, including free weights. We also offer a dog park, car care center, garages, and more. Abberly Commons offers an unparalleled location in the suburbs of Charlotte, North Carolina, and enjoys a very pet-friendly policy with no breed restrictions. So, are you ready to explore the comfort and style waiting for you? Visit AbberlyCommons.com. Abberly Commons Apartment Homes by HHHunt Apartment Living is a part of HHHunt. Visit all of our communities and learn more at HHHunt.com.